Mama Akwaba, what frame Addo search name, Mesrel. Now I subscribe to my channel. Near notification bell so for more news. Ebusia for Yatiti Juma Ewo Onua TV. Na woman we FTCMPP so easy. Now coming say as a journalist today. Two political parties do be a dinsem who are working. Na Yatiti need to miss one political party so. And then in some when this folk can, a bragana for what Omo who hear me say. Omo Peduma and this for so more ban, come men 24-hour economy no more than number, Niatity who wants an income. Ubended no bet yes in so, as if say, Ghana Hano. Flag bearers no more your back pay. Then the attitude don't know what can anyone say. Also called Takwa. Now Takwa so I am a year honorable Mdokuduka. Project a wire or and easy, and then be a waste of them as a schools, a hospital, and easy, or the dining naturally. A attitude, but some catch us any, and you know, any one I walk. One fact a tackle and a coy, and I'll find it. And number some catch us a pimeni to Takwa, Saquino. On where it is in London, and our US acquired that super papa. A common accident was made in Papanica. Court was beyond caution near Menquangan. Sapine at the white ankasa, a suit to yende, so no coffee from a pimenim to Takwa, His Excellency and another Danko Fado. Or man penny away ya quancing Ghana penimbia, why as our quantity, Nyanya who came it was a old honorable Mulukuduka Nabaso, but any in Puntujuma de Bia Kosuo, Western region, what teach you Patakwa Honono from a pimeni maya quadede, and when one can ye.
Meba cho dia wo hwe dia eyetakwansu ayem constituency me kwae dia mehu bia na be ka kire wo enti me kwae na me se na mo MP mo ne na tena krom ha ya bra ben wa bo ama mo ne yese bra wa bo ne bi ni ntina me se ne mo fa me kwa runs me am kwa mkotwa pictures na me dia ba enti these are some of the projects by honorable Mrekuduka waya de nipa ya de osaye wa nyina ya nse ne di simple me quiet de mehu na me beka ena boys na omwo kro no mutimu say community mining na wo mo ye no say areas na omutu go no so wo mo ye no te say de takwa ye ne de na me ya sure sanka problem ma because emaburu dudu anya bia obi atubi asem bia ni ba bia o enti takwa nsu ayem komo no eye nkoma meba bedi ama proper one na ma we say me ne mpanyefo ewo ni bi so bedi nkomo and honorable Mrekuduka waya de nyame anim no krase yenka no kore waya de wo hwe ba areas bia me kokokoye any projects awakoye asi ho a me ya sure say MP bia obeka say ha de twen kakra na me fa nkwa hansa but wono emfa ne ho say ha wachi ana say ha wanim ba bia say fota say wo de chip company ko de bi ko hospital ankasa ye wo chip company or hospital they were school projects na akase nkitu anim waya de nti me bakwasi so ansi ni binu na sa wo so wanya ade na mbeka me meka se yatitu wota me mentawo me kwa manfi
one disadvantage is central among it here, the nature of the economy and the situations Ghanaians find themselves today. Until when you even conduct a focus group survey, you see that somebody may even say you vote for NDC before you put him into questions for him to think otherwise or still maintain he or she's earlier position taken. But there's something about MPP. They look organized and determined. And when you see that group now, then you have to be very careful of them. Because the situation now, MPP aban wo msisiano oya aban bia no wo mu Ghana na MPP wo opposition them aban no on to survive the rate at which MPP for surviving. So after campaign trail of the both leading parties now, Bawumia appears like an opposition candidate. And so
oh yeah Juma no oya the campaign nana
campaign. He is working like an opposition candidate, and he is campaigning from position of opposition, not from position of government. Ahanum noye trickier Opposition NDC must watch and watch it very carefully. And he takes the battle to NDC rather than waiting for NDC to take the battle to him.
Okay.
He was the first to call for debate.
Okay.
You understand? He has been the first to also raise the issue of whether Ghanaians like it or not. The eminent winner of the election will come from the north. And he has made a very mind-boggling statement that they should evaluate and assess whoever that is going to become the president from the north by northness. Well, he has a very specific audience target base.
Are you disappointed in the president, Mampanyin and Addo?
Akuffo. No, David. We are disappointed. I cannot be disappointed in Akuffo. I can't. For that one day, I know he has done well. He has done well as a president. When it's only say be a penokre. Why are there papa? Okay. Say
why are there chen kruma?
Fast for Muku school. SS Omed was
No 3.
Muku free.
Yes.
Okwa Bompire Maguva Wati. And Kabanaka Bedi Dawson. Now cry free could be Mukum. Say, and Fiona Tuchiano. Mo brepa. Nakasa to your school visa Saka. What I say, sometimes you have to appreciate what you have.
Why are there send your walking now? What time of mood go me about? Why don't you contest them?
That Baumia Kuvado. Baumia Kuvado. He's a different person. And I couldn't so I thought I said a bush of class or no building Mabush and the arena. Mammy kind of cruncho. Akuffo say open as a mumpen as a move, and the Yamasam. And now, Mimik for the Mimin Chantroda and Timismin Chantroda. But Akuffo Masawaya Juma. Sabaso who Juma Akuffo I own. This ought to was an official in Yama way. Nemum Ghana politics and Mom politics and Amway and Monshadante are saying to you. Mupaso be cancer. Oh, when you Miss politics in Nimuye. What I say, I will say as it is. But I don't say, maybe for me bar, mean channel.
Ghana bad time who a ban with some faso. Wapa and Twaba Mama Hammer. Na adienchi, mube who Akuffo Addo some faso. Akuffo Addo Uncle Bobosia. Uncle Todd Dine, Trasaku, Ama Manu be Uncle Tinem. Cobobosia de Abeto, and Yama Mumedi. Ama Mumma Suya de Ama Mumma. Ene mumma enya dache ti mu hu no so mfa so Akuffo Addo akọbọbosia ne bone a waye ne se wabọbosia de akoye Ghana akwan ti mu hu ne so mfa so Akuffo Addo bone a waye ne se okọbọbosia de to ambulance a na enye empty e de abehwemo Akuffo Addo bone a waye ne se obọbosia de ko kra drones e de be save nipa life Asante nkai eye nokre Akuffo Addo bone a waye no because oya achem Ghana bad time amu hu